When I was younger, in 1976, I lived in Virginia, and there was a very large snowstorm. There were a lot of people that were stranded and that needed help, and I was very impressed and felt very encouraged by how police officers and firefighters and neighbors all helped each other. As I grew up, I always had this urge to want to do something with my life that helped others. So initially I went into research. But as I did that, I felt compelled to want to have a more direct relationship with people that I was helping. And so I chose to go to medical school, and I feel it was the best choice I ever made because I get to do this every single day. I try to just focus on to try to listen to what my patients are saying, to make sure that they're involved in the healthcare decision for themselves. My job is merely, how I see it, to give them information. I took the time to train and read the books, so I feel that it's my job as a doctor to give them good information so they can make good decisions in their healthcare. And then you can't do that if you don't listen as a provider. So I feel that I have to look myself in the mirror every single day. And if I feel that I'm letting my patients down by not listening or not being able to give them good options for their healthcare, then I feel I'm failing. And that's something you have to focus on every day or you won't be successful. Knowing that my patients are doing well because of a contribution that I made towards their care is what really drives me. It's what makes me leave the office happy every day, and it's what brings me back the next day. And so when I see them out in the community and I see them with their child, or they're happy, or they come up to me and say, "Dr. Den Haese, it's good to see you. Thank you for helping me with this." That to me is why I do this. It's the most rewarding thing, and it's all the reward I need. My biggest joy in my life when I'm not seeing patients is to watch my children play soccer. Just sit back and yell at them and scream at them like a normal parent is what I love to do. And I do it and they hate it, but that's fun for me, is watching them play a sport that I loved. And then finally, I love sushi. So I like to eat, and this body doesn't miss many meals, and sushi is my favorite meal. And so I like to eat sushi, and I try to do that whenever I can.